The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Archer County in northern Texas, southwestern Wichita County in northern Texas, southeastern Wilbarger County in northern Texas, northeastern Baylor County in northern Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Diversion, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holiday, Geneva, Mankins, and Lake Diversion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.